Hey guys, it's Tyler from Nelly Security. I just wanted to make this quick video to let you know how you can try out our new Uniview products and save a little bit of money at the same time. We're calling this our Protect Your Assets deal. You know, right now you might be spending a lot of time at home. You might have more time on your hands than you usually do. It's a great time to do some chores around the house. Maybe you have some home improvement projects you've been meaning to get started on, like, I don't know, installing a video surveillance system. Well, we've got you covered. This is our Uniview fixed lens turret. It's 4 megapixels, and we have a whole video series on these fixed lens cameras, which I will link down below if you're interested. You can purchase these turrets individually, but now there is a whole new way to purchase these by bundling and saving. Here's what I mean. You can now purchase a 4-channel, an 8-channel, or a 16-channel system. These systems come with either 4, 8, or 16 of these 4 megapixel turrets. They also come with a Uniview NVR with a pre-installed hard drive. It's pretty much everything you need for a complete video surveillance system except for the Ethernet cables. And the best part is you can pick up these bundles for a lower price than you can the individual products. As for the cable, you really only need 4 to 16 Ethernet cables, just enough to connect your cameras to the NVR. So you have a couple of options for that. You can pick up pre-made Ethernet cables from our website. If you're interested in learning how to make your own cables, we also have an IP camera cable starter kit, which comes with 1,000 feet of bulk Ethernet cable, some RJ45 connectors, and all the tools that you need to get started with that. I will link all those products in the description below, so be sure to check that out. So head to our website and click on the banner, or visit nellysecurity.com/protectyourassets. Check out these bundles today and get your hands on some attractive, durable, and very high quality turret cameras at a discounted price. Thanks for watching this video, and we will see you next time.